Hey guys, figured I'd do a video. Got the four-wheeler all done. She's got front and rear brakes. It shifts a little bit better when you go in gear. Let's see here. Tail light, or brake light I should say, works now. So she always fires right up. Give her a little bit less choke here. She might be out of gas because she was low when I was driving it, so oops, it's an off switch. Alright, it's gonna make me mad now. Don't want to run. Want to. There we go. Yeah, I think she might be out of go-go. Yep. Just about out of go-go, so. Alright guys, just figured I'd show you that she got done, so.